My bad, y'all. I got a lot on my mind right now. But I love y'all. So run that intro.
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT. KinggEATEAT, yeah.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT. Today, you know what it is. You see the vibes, baby. Today, Popeyes chicken sandwich is back, baby. Well, it been back, but I ain't ate it in a while, so I'm gonna see if it's still as good as it was and see what all the hype was about when it was here. You know, so hey, here we go. We out here with it, baby. We out here with it. Ooh, smell good. Hold on, let me clear the palate. Got me some fries. Fries a little cold, it's stale. That's strike one. Strike one on Popeyes, y'all. Stay up there. Alright. Now what you all been waiting for? Look at that. Look at that thing. Y'all see that? How that look? Big as hell, I know that much. Let's take it out. Man, that thing huge. Look at that. How that thing look? Boy, that thing humongous. Let's get into it, y'all. I already know what I gotta do. It's still good, y'all. It's still good. You want a bite? How'd it taste?
Too juicy.
Too juicy? Well, I like mine juicy. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I'm extra now. It's good, though. Of course, most of y'all already know that. But I gotta do a little extra to mine. How y'all like it? How y'all like that sweet heat sauce? Put a little sweet heat up on there. With a couple fries. Mmm. Woo! Look at that sauce coming out of both of them. I don't know what kind of sauce it is. Oh, baby salad there. I don't know what they did with the baby salad. Oh, there you go. Y'all, that was so good. I gotta try that one more again, y'all. Yeah, y'all know me. I'm always extra. And it gotta be sloppy for me. Well, that was it, man. I'm bad, y'all. What kind of spicy? Y'all, excuse me. Y'all, somebody asked me on Facebook why my hair thin right here. Don't ask me no questions. You worry about your hair. But the truth is, when I was younger, right? I was on the swing. These little kids were throwing rocks and stuff. Man, rock came, hit my ass right here. I flipped up at it. I was bleeding everything. Right now, y'all. Yeah, I love y'all. I really do. I'm low on fries. Ooh, this fire here, y'all. Oh my God. Wipe that off. I ain't none of that sweet heat sauce go to waste, y'all. They be acting stingy with that sauce. I hate when I be at the ask for some sauce. 33 cents, please. Bitch, ain't coming out your paycheck. Look at my face for that. Now, there's like a whole chicken breast on this sandwich. It's seasoned good, too. On this brioche bun. Hey, look, y'all. How it look? Is my autofocus on? How you do it? It's the end here, y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna eat out there. Eat. Everybody else, we the game. Y'all drink game. We not fast.